This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. It's the evening feeding for the 3rd of September. There was a younger couple that walked by and the pigeons were on the street. They turned around and I swear they looked for me. They looked for me to see if I was here, okay? Because the pigeons were here. That is just unbelievable, isn't it? That's quite unbelievable. So, well, I guess the birds, people associate the birds with Crow Crusader. Good and bad. Guess there's nothing wrong with that, is there? Okay. Is that Seymour? That's Seymour. Oh my goodness, that's Seymour. He was not here this morning. He missed out, that Seymour. He definitely missed out. But who knows? Maybe he came during the day. We don't know. Here's our little pigeons. A lot of people walking home from the lake and a lot of people walking toward the lake. I'd like to know what that guy's doing. That's only going to the car wash where he's riding his bicycle to. That for me is very, very strange. So I think those people are looking at Seymour up there and say, wow, what's that? Right? That's our Seymour. That's our Seymour. Oh, girl over there with the dog off her leash. Oh, it's a little pug. Oops. That's Seymour. Yeah, I'm the bird lady. You know the movie, The Birdman from Alcatraz? I don't know if anyone with Burt Lancaster. Anyone knows that movie, but sort of like the bird woman of Kreuzlingen, right? Except I'm not sitting in the prison on Alcatraz, there in the Bay of San Francisco. So, anyway. Oh, let's put this down on the field because Seymour is very, very hungry. Yeah, I know. You can watch if you want. Just don't get in my video. Okay? So, it's amazing. They look at you as if you're a witch, or I have no idea. But it's like, oh my God, she's feeding the birds. You know, like look what she's doing. Look at our Seymour. Look at our Seymour and the Miele gulls. And we have, well, there's a certain number of crows here today. Really, that guy on the bicycle there, suspicious with his backpack. You know, people are so hideous here. They would drive back there and throw poison down for the pigeons. You just don't know. But he doesn't look like a positive person. I don't know. I don't know what to say. You know, it's weird. Very, very weird. I've learned that weird actions of people here is usually something that's not good, okay? That's what it means. Anyway, Yeah, there's our little mule gull there. Yes, I know. Well, I think I have 6 eggs out here tonight, right? Trying to see if any of these mule gulls are tagged. No, they're not. How about if we go down here today? Okay, because tomorrow's Monday and the janitor will be here. And let's put it a little further away because obviously there's going to be grain left. So anyway, I guess she just wants to watch here. Yeah, guys. Huh? Yeah. I don't have much of the cat food today because it all gave out this morning, right? So, okay, Seymour. Okay, Seymour. Here we go, Seymour. There we go, Seymour. Come on, Seymour. There you go. He's very hungry. Look at that Seymour. He's very, very hungry. My goodness, that Seymour. He's very, very hungry. And they're watching. Yeah, I can tell you right now they hate the crows. But get a life, people. Again, dog people who hate birds. Gosh, how many do we have of those people around here? Don't get it. I love dogs. I had dogs all my life since I was an infant. And I love birds. What's wrong with these dog owners? Right? What's wrong with these dog owners? That's what I like to know. You see, we have 1, 2, 3 silver gulls, 3 mule gulls, and our crows. So, well, you can imagine their criticism. Yeah, but let's not be too hasty with that. Yeah, your dog just went poo-poo, but I don't see you picking it up. Why am I not surprised? So, anyway, they're just, you'd be surprised how many young people here don't have lives. Or, I don't know, they have nothing to do. So, I don't know. I don't know what to say. I feel sorry for them. When I was young, I had so much to do. I don't get it. There just wasn't enough time to do everything I wanted to do when I was growing up. And nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. But for right now, we don't have anyone bothering the birds right now. That's very good. They're establishing their territory here. Seymour and his little friend. So it's very interesting. I guess they're probably upset because they can't let their dog run off the leash here, right? I guess they could across the street, but I don't know. They want their dog to chase the birds here. So now they're coming back this way. I don't know what they're up to. No idea. But they have a very cute pug. Most of these people who have dogs have really every single dog is absolutely the cutest thing. Some of them are little, mixtures, and others are purebreds, but like this little pug, but they're really, really quite cute. So, but anyway, it's a moth. I've never seen a monarch butterfly here. Oh, now look, they're coming down this way again. Maybe they don't live down this way. I have no idea. I really don't. I really don't know what they're up to. But it only takes, you know, one bad apple. That's my son's favorite expression, right? To ruin a feeding. So, who knows? I'm gonna go just move along. I spent, let's see, about 7 hours writing today. Wow, that's a lot. I took 2 10-minute breaks. That's a lot. It's a lot, but I'm not used to it. I was used to it. I haven't done it in the last 5 years since the A Heart for Baby came out. But yeah. Here, we put down our. These people are also making the crows nervous too with the dog. They don't like the dog. But we'll see, they'll come over here. Right? I guess we went their dog to look at the birds. That's alright.